Have you ever been washing dishes or brushing your teeth and suddenly, bam, something creepy crawls up from the drain? Yeah, that's right. Your cozy home might be the secret highway for unwanted visitors through your drains. I'm talking about pests. Pests in your pipes. It's like a horror movie. But don't worry, I'm here to help you face your worst drain nightmares with some easy, natural remedies. Stick with me as we talk about 10 pests that could be crawling their way up your drains and how to evict them naturally. No toxic chemicals needed. Let's dive in. 1. Cockroaches, the Nightcrawlers. Let's start with the most notorious drain dweller of them all, cockroaches. These guys are like the party crashers of the pest world, sneaky and way too comfortable in your house. Why do they love your drain so much? Well, cockroaches are experts at finding dark, moist places. Your drain is like a luxury hotel to them, especially if there's leftover food down there. It's gross. But fear not, because here's your secret weapon: baking soda and vinegar. Pour half a cup of baking soda down the drain, then chase it with a cup of vinegar. They'll foam up like a science fair volcano. Super fun. This fizzing action cleans out all the gunk cockroaches love to snack on and makes it way less appealing for them to stay. No more 5-star treatment for these roaches. 2. Drain flies, the party crashers. The most popular insect that'll come out through drains will be drain flies. These little guys are like the uninvited guests who show up at your party and hang around the snack table. They breed in the slimy gunk in your drains and emerge like, hey, we live here now. They get in because they're looking for moist, organic matter. Your drain is basically their dream real estate. Here's the trick: boiling water. Pour a pot of it down the drain every few days. It'll wash away their breeding ground, sending their eggs and larvae straight out. It's like their eviction notice, hot and steamy. 3. Fruit flies, the food thieves. These tiny thieves aren't just obsessed with your bananas, they also sneak down your drains to breed in all that leftover food and moisture. The nerve of it. They get in through the tiniest openings, and once inside, they find the dampness they need to thrive. Here's the deal. Take a small bowl, fill it with apple cider vinegar, cover it with plastic wrap, and poke a few holes on top. The flies will be drawn to the vinegar, fly in, and, well, they won't fly back out. It's the ultimate fruit fly trap. And it smells kind of nice, too. For the flies that are breeding in your drain, boil some lemon slices in water and pour it down the drain. The acidity of the lemon juice will break down the grime and food residue that attract fruit flies. Plus, it leaves your kitchen smelling fresh and citrusy. 4. Mice, the sneaky intruders. Wait, what? Mice can come up your drains? Yes, I know, it sounds like a horror story, but these little critters are shockingly good at squeezing through tight spaces, like your pipes. They're after food, warmth, and safety. But don't worry, they won't chew through steel wool. It's like kryptonite for them. All you have to do is stuff steel wool around any openings near your pipes, especially under sinks. The next time they try to squeeze in, they'll be like, nope. Problem solved. 5. Spiders, the web slingers. Yep, they can crawl up drains too. If they're on the hunt for insects like flies and other small pests, they'll follow them up your pipes and into your sink. But don't freak out yet. A little peppermint oil spray around your drains will keep those 8-legged creeps far, far away. They hate the smell, but you'll love it. Just mix a few drops of peppermint oil with water in a spray bottle and spritz around your drains. It smells fresh and keeps the spiders out. Win-win. 6. Silverfish, the shiny scavengers. These shiny little guys are nocturnal, so you don't see them often, but when you do, they're probably creeping out of your drain to feast on leftover food bits. Yuck, right? Well, here's the secret. Silverfish hate cinnamon. Sprinkle some cinnamon powder around your drain, and it's like you've put up a no vacancy sign. Not only will your home smell amazing, but those shiny pests will disappear. It's a win for you and a big loss for them. 7. Centipedes, the speedy creeps. Why do they have so many legs? These speedy insects love to crawl up through your drains, especially when it's damp and cold outside. They're hunters, so they follow other pests right into your home. Now, the good news is that diatomaceous earth is a centipede's weakness. It's a natural powder made from crushed fossils, and when centipedes crawl through it, they get dehydrated. Just sprinkle some around your drains, and they'll be hightailing it out of there faster than they came in. Centipedes also dislike the smell of cloves and bay leaves. Crush them and sprinkle the powder around your drains or in areas where you've spotted these pests. It's a natural, fragrant deterrent. 8. Ants, the little invaders. These tiny invaders use your drain as a shortcut into your home, following the scent of food left behind in the pipes. They're relentless, but you can outsmart them with white vinegar. Spray a mixture of water and vinegar around your drains and kitchen surfaces. Ants hate the smell, and it breaks their scent trails, so they get confused and lose their way. Take that, ants! 9. Snakes, the unwelcome surprise. Okay, this one's a rare one, but yes, snakes can actually slither up through your drains. If there's a gap in your pipes or they're seeking warmth and water, you might get the shock of your life. Snakes are more than capable of swimming upwards, holding their breath for long periods of time and squeezing through tight spaces like toilet drains. Prevention is key here. Install drain screens. They're cheap and easy to fit over your drains, keeping out any curious snakes or anything else trying to slither its way into your home. However, if you prefer a more natural method, use a garlic and onion spread. Snakes are repelled by the strong odor of garlic and onion. Blend garlic cloves and onion with water and let it sit for a few hours. Strain the liquid and spray it around outdoor drains. It's an effective, natural way to tell snakes to slither on out. 10. Frogs, the unexpected guests. They're cute, sure, but not when they're hopping up from your drains into your kitchen. In some areas, especially near water, frogs can take a wrong turn and end up in your pipes. Frogs don't like salt, so sprinkle some around your outdoor drains and they'll hop away in search of a pond instead of your plumbing. It's an easy, natural way to keep them out, no chemicals, just simple remedies you can whip up at home. Because, let's face it, our drains are for water, not creepy crawlies. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your own drain horror stories or natural remedies. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy the next video on how to get rid of pests with baking soda. See you next time.